Hey, I'm Steve with Marine Depot Direct, and today I wanted to talk to you about replacing the delrin wheel on your anchor roller. Luckily, it's super simple process, so there's really not a whole lot to this. All you're going to need is a couple wrenches and whatever wheel you're going to replace it with. So, what you got to do is secure either the nut or the bolt, and then from the other side, just start loosening that. So you see this one is pretty beat up and dirty and just not in good condition. So we'll go ahead and replace it with a nice new one. Go ahead and put that bolt back through. Get that on there. Flip that to tighten, and we'll go ahead and tighten that back up. And that's all there is to it. And now your anchor roller wheel is nice and new and should last quite a while. By the way, links to all these products are in the description down below. Feel free to leave a comment about what you'd like to see next, maybe something a little bit more complicated. I know this was kind of simple. And if you'd like to help support us, just leave a like, subscribe, and if you click the bell icon, you can be notified of any future videos that we post.